Meet Thomas. He's a topper.
The fuck you say to me? Whee!
What does that sign say?
You just put you're going to use subscriber. I wanna break free.
I think that you're going to help me and Thomas somewhere in this story.
No.
Be quiet.
No.
You weren't concentrating, Thomas. I'm blue. I was naughty and the fat controller told me to think about all the ways I can be really useless.
I can do whatever I want.
No, you
Can't.
Far away on Sodus, the steam engines were sucking. Only Jayesh, who now felt really shit too, was complaining.
Wobbly
Puffy piss.
Thomas, why are you using the shit vise?
James is right, little Tom.
Bossy sprockets. This must be Diesel's doing.
Yes, sir, the 3 R's. Reading, writing, and rating.
Red looks so nice against the snow. It's not me, is it?
Oh, of course, James.
Say it, don't spray it, Thomas.
Hello, Lily.
Fuck off!
As the sound of Lady's magic echoed through the night on Muffled Mountain.
Morning, Henry. What's the matter?
I've got cold like a shit.
Slam!
Fucking yeah!
What's the matter?
Think I'm allergic to crap? We're just too far away to hear what they're saying.
Good morning. Follow me, partner.
What the fuck? Little engines can do big things! Hello, Thomas!
That's enough.
Lily, where are we?
I don't know. The god will tell us in a minute.
What?
It's getting windy up here!
There's the blue bitch, and look who he's with.
Run, lady!
Fucking meow!